The great epic AI battle is going on and is in full swing. Not only it is about models, but also about the tools like Qwen or Gemini CLI codecs, and the list goes on and on and on. Just few hours ago, Alibaba released yet another Qwen3 model, which is Qwen3-Coder-Flash, and we covered it in detail in this video where I showed you how you can get it installed with Ollama locally, and then we tested it out. I'm continuing that series on Qwen3-Coder-Flash model because I believe this is one of the best model in open source, open weight, very liberal license which you can install locally and use it as your coding companion. And that is why in this video I am going to show you how you can use this Qwen3-Coder 30 billion parameter model with Quen CLI or Quen Code, which is yet another coding companion tool which is inspired from Gemini CLI that has been specifically optimized for Qwen3-Coder models. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. If this is the first time, please like the video and subscribe to the channel as it helps a lot. So what is Quen CLI? I already have covered it in great detail in this video, but very quickly, it is, as I said, an AI coding companion that enhances your development workflow with advanced code understanding, automated tasks, and intelligent assistant. There are a lot of key features like code understanding. You can do enhanced parsing. You can even do some pull request, complex rebases, and few other automated tasks. You would have to also give some control of your system on your terminal if you want that to happen. But anyway, pretty good tool as we saw in this video. Let me take you to my terminal where I'm going to show you what my system specs are. So I'm running Ubuntu and my GPU card is NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. The reason why I am showing you my VRAM is because I will be using this as a local model. So you see that I already have downloaded this Qwen3-Coder in quantized format, which has been done by Unsloth. So really good of them. And I covered it in this video as how you can grab that quantized version, install it with Ollama, and then run it. So if you're interested in installing this model with Ollama, just watch this video. Anyway, so as you can see that I already have that model downloaded and installed. In the next step, all I need to do is to install my Quen CLI. The good thing is all you need is this just one command in order to get this Quen CLI installed. So while it installs, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video. So if you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for a range of GPUs. Also, I want to thank our sponsors, iGent. iGent is a world's first multi-agent workforce desktop application, empowering you to build, manage, and deploy a custom AI workforce that can turn your most complex workflows into automated tasks. Okay, so let me take you back to my terminal, and I already have it installed, so I'm not going to run it again. All you need to do after that is to set your environment. Now, in order to use it with Ollama based models, all you need to do is to run this. So I'm setting my API key to Ollama. You can put any value there. Most important thing is the second one where we are pointing our OpenAI's endpoint to localhost at this port. Make sure you use it as a v1. And then this is a model which I already showed you, which we have downloaded. So once that's done, simply run Quen, and that is going to launch our Quen CLI. And you see it has already detected our Hugging Face model, which we have downloaded on our local system, running and serving through Ollama. And now you can just start using this model. I am already in my GitHub repo, so you can just say something like explain the structure of my code base, something like that. And I'll just fix it. And then it is going to start giving you the answers here. And then you can just select it like, do you want to allow it? And I'll just say yes, always allow, or something like that, or you could say no. So it has gone into my project and it is checking what exactly in there. So this is a primary reason behind it, that you can just keep doing, use it in order to understand your legacy code. You can use it to run your code. You can use it to sort of refactor your code. A lot of stuffs you can do there. So you see, it is even running it, checking it. So this is my simple one. There you go. So it has just going through the repo and checking everything there. And now if you want to integrate this with your Continue or RooCode and any other client, all you need to do is to open for any, the supported code editor. Primarily people use it with VS Code. On the left, just click on extensions. In the extensions, you can see there is a Cline. And then let me first go with the RooCode. So this is a RooCode, just search for RooCode and then click on install. And trust publisher, this is going to install it for us, and that is all done. And then you just need to click on this settings cog. So let me click it there, and I'm just going to open it. And then you will see that after a while it will open this on the left hand side, this kangaroo one. Just click on let's go, or if you already have the settings, you can also go from there. And I have expanded this left bar. From there you can just simply click on API provider. There are heaps of them, but as we just want to use Ollama, so select the Ollama from here. This is our base URL which you need to provide if you are using a different endpoint, but I'm just going to go and select this Hugging Face model because it already populated it from here, and then just simply click on let's go from here, and then click on I'm just don't want to share anything at the moment, and there you go. And now you can just start chatting with your code base. So you just open your code base, something like this, and then you just go back to the Roo and then start chatting with it. That's pretty much it. And if you want to know how to use RooCode, just go to my channel, search with RooCode or Cline, which was the older name of RooCode, and then you can start playing around with it. So for instance, as soon as I have typed here explain this code, and it has detected what the code is doing, and then it is just telling me what needs to be done. And then you can just keep talking to it, keep chatting to it, and then go from there. And similar thing which you can do with Cline or any other VS Code extension. So again, you can go to the Continue, just click on it, and then from there you can get it installed. And then go to the settings and select your provider, and that's pretty much it. Similarly, this is a Cline one. You can also use it like this. So all of these extensions are primarily boiled down to the same thing, where all you have to do is to select the API provider as Ollama, select the base, and select your model. That's pretty much it. So that's it. I hope that it was useful. Let me know if you have any questions or face any issues in the comments. Happy to help out. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, as that helps a lot. Thank you very much.